Welcome to Trivia on Tap, where we prepare you to win bar trivia and increase your general knowledge. Subscribe for daily trivia videos and comment below with how many answers you got correct. Let's get started with some woodworking tools trivia. What tool is used for smoothing wood surfaces? A. Miter saw, or B. Hand plane, or C. Wood chisel, or D. Sandpaper? The correct answer is B. Hand plane. Which tool is essential for measuring right angles in woodworking? Is it A. Spirit level, B. T-square, C. Caliper, or D. Tri-square? The correct answer is D. Tri-square. Which saw is known for its thin, flexible blade and is used for making detailed cuts? A. Band saw, or B. Scroll saw, coping saw, or D. Hacksaw? The correct answer is C. Coping saw. Which hand tool is used for shaving off thin slices of wood? Is it A. Chisel, or B. Wood scraper, or C. Spoke shave, or D. Plane? The correct answer is C. Spoke shave. Which power tool uses a rotating blade to cut curves in wood? Is it A. Circular saw, or B. Band saw, or C. Miter saw, or D. Jigsaw? The correct answer is D. Jigsaw. Which tool is used to drive nails into wood? A. Hammer, or B. Drill, or screwdriver, or D. Pliers? The correct answer is A. Hammer. What is the name of the tool used to tighten or loosen screws? A. Screwdriver, or B. Hammer, or C. Wrench, or D. Pliers? The correct answer is A. Screwdriver. Which tool is used to hold pieces of wood together while glue dries? Is it A. Rubber bands, or B. Chains, or C. Nails, or D. Clamps? The correct answer is D. Clamps. Which tool is used to mark a line parallel to a wood edge? Is it A. a marking gauge, or B. a carpenter's pencil, or C. a tri-square, or D. a chalk line? The correct answer is A. marking gauge. Which hand tool is used for cutting across the grain of wood? A. Chainsaw, or B. Wood chisel, or C. Crosscut saw, or D. Table saw? The correct answer is C. Crosscut saw. Which tool is used to create decorative edges on wood? Is it A. Chisel, B. Scroll saw, or C. Miter saw, or D. Router? The correct answer is D. Router. Which tool is used for boring holes in wood? A. Screwdriver, or B. Drill, or C. Saw, or D. Hammer? The correct answer is B. Drill. Which tool consists of a blade with teeth and is used to cut wood? Is it A. Knife, or B. Hatchet, or C. Handsaw, or D. Chainsaw? The correct answer is C. Handsaw. Which woodworking tool is used to smooth and shape the edges of wood? A. Chisel, or B. Fret saw, or C. Block plane, or D. Carpenter's square? The correct answer is C. Block plane. Which tool is used to sand wood surfaces manually? A. Belt sander, or B. Sandpaper, or C. Hammer, or D. Paint scraper? The correct answer is B. Sandpaper. Which tool is used to check if a surface is level? Is it A. Spirit level, or B. Protractor, or C. Plumb bob, or D. Tape measure? The correct answer is A. Spirit level. Which tool is used to cut wood along the grain? Is it A. Rip saw, or B. Circular saw, or C. Chisel, or D. Chop saw? The correct answer is A. Rip saw. Which tool is used to create precise holes in wood? A. Drill press, or B. Wood chisel, or C. Thumb drill, or D. Hacksaw. The correct answer is A. Drill press. Which hand tool is used for scraping wood surfaces smooth? Is it A. Cabinet scraper, or B. Chisel, or C. Hand plane, or D. Carpenter's square? The correct answer is A. Cabinet scraper. What is the name of the tool used to gauge the diameter of holes? A. Caliper, or B. Bore gauge, or C. Micrometer, or D. Vernier scale? The correct answer is A. Caliper. Which tool is used for cutting wood at various angles? Is it A. Table saw, or B. Miter saw, or circular saw, or D. Chop saw? The correct answer is B. Miter saw. Which tool is used to cut fine straight lines in wood? A. Bandsaw, or B. Hacksaw, or C. Backsaw, or D. Chisel? The correct answer is C. Backsaw. Which tool is used to measure distances up to several feet? Is it A. Compass, or B. Tape measure, or C. Calipers, or D. Protractor? The correct answer is B. Tape measure. Which tool is used to cut mortises in wood? A. A mortise chisel, or B. Handsaw, or C. Jigsaw, or D. Power drill? The correct answer is A. Mortise chisel. What tool is used for smoothing out wood surfaces before finishing? A. Belt grinder, or B. Orbital sander, or C. Chisel, or D. Scroll saw? The correct answer is B. Orbital sander. Which tool is used to mark the center of a hole to be drilled? Is it A. Compass, or B. Center punch, or C. Drill bit, or D. Protractor? The correct answer is B. Center punch. Which of the following tools is used to grip and turn nuts and bolts? A. Screwdriver, or B. Hammer, or C. Pliers, or D. Wrench? The correct answer is D. Wrench. A. Hand plane, or B. Table saw, or C. Bandsaw, or D. Scroll saw? Which tool is used to make intricate cuts and shapes in wood? The correct answer is D. Scroll saw. Which tool is used to measure the depth of holes in wood? Is it A. Depth gauge, or B. Plumb bob, or C. Caliper, or D. Chisel? The correct answer is A. Depth gauge. Which tool is used to make a precise straight cut in wood? Is it A. Jigsaw, or B. Table saw, or C. Chisel, or D. Hacksaw? The correct answer is B. Table saw. A. Bench vise, or clamping squares, or C. Wood glue sawhorse? Which tool is used to hold wood pieces in place during cutting? The correct answer is A. Bench vise. A. Circular saw, or B. Chisel, or C. Table saw, or D. Bandsaw? What tool is used to create curved cuts in wood? The correct answer is D. Bandsaw. Which tool is used to smooth wood surfaces with abrasive paper? Is it A. Wood rasp, or chisel, or C. Planer, or D. Sanding block? The correct answer is D. Sanding block. What is the name of the tool used to cut tenons in wood? Is it A. Tenon saw, or B. Miter saw, or C. Chisel, or D. Router? The correct answer is A. Tenon saw. Which tool is used to hold wood pieces at a fixed angle? A. Tri-square, or B. Corner brace, or C. Vice grip, or D. Angle clamp? The correct answer is D. Angle clamp. Which tool is used to make precise angled cuts in wood? Is it A, hacksaw, or B, compound miter saw, or C, chisel, or D, circular saw? The correct answer is B, compound miter saw. Which tool is used to remove excess wood from joints? A, rabbet plane, or B, coping saw, or C, wood chisel, or D, file? The correct answer is A, rabbet plane. Which tool is used to make dovetail joints accurately? A, router table, or B, coping saw, or C, chisel set, or D, dovetail jig? The correct answer is D, dovetail jig. Which tool is used to clamp wood pieces together during assembly? A, hammer, or B, screwdriver, or C, bar clamp, or D, nail gun? The correct answer is C, bar clamp. Which tool is used to make precise straight cuts in large boards? Is it A, power drill, or B, jigsaw, or C, circular saw, or D, chisel? The correct answer is C, circular saw. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.